Child kidnapping, particularly when committed by one of the parents, is a complex and emotionally charged issue that intersects with family law, criminal law, and international legal frameworks. Understanding the legal parameters that classify such acts as kidnapping is crucial for parents, legal professionals, and society as a whole. In the context of parental kidnapping, the act typically involves one parent taking, retaining, or concealing a child in violation of the other parent's custodial rights. The specific legal definitions and criteria can vary by jurisdiction, but generally, parental kidnapping encompasses the following elements. 1. Intent to deprive custodial rights. The parent must act with the intent to interfere with the lawful custody of the other parent. This means taking or keeping the child without the other parent's consent or against a court order. 2. Violation of custody agreement. The act must breach an existing custody arrangement or court order. This includes situations where one parent relocates with the child without notifying the other parent or obtaining court approval, as required by the custody agreement. 3. Lack of consent. The non-custodial parent takes or retains the child without the custodial parent's permission. This aspect underscores the unlawful nature of the act, distinguishing it from situations where both parents agree to a temporary change in custody. Legal frameworks and jurisdictions. The legal response to parental kidnapping can differ significantly depending on the jurisdiction. However, several common legal frameworks address this issue. 1. United States law. In the United States, parental kidnapping can be prosecuted under both state and federal laws. The Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act, UCCJEA, provides a framework for addressing jurisdictional disputes, while the Parental Kidnapping Prevention Act, PKPA, supports the enforcement of custody orders across state lines. Additionally, federal law, such as the International Parental Kidnapping Crime Act, IPKCA, criminalizes taking a child out of the country to obstruct parental rights. 2. International law. The Hague Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction is a key international treaty addressing cross-border parental kidnapping. It seeks to ensure the prompt return of abducted children to their country of habitual residence and respects existing custody arrangements. Countries that are signatories to the Convention are obligated to cooperate in returning abducted children and resolving custody disputes. Consequences of parental kidnapping. The legal consequences for a parent who kidnaps their child can be severe and multifaceted. 1. Criminal charges. Parental kidnapping is a criminal offence in many jurisdictions, potentially resulting in felony charges, imprisonment, and fines. The severity of the charges often depends on factors such as the duration of the kidnapping, any harm to the child, and whether the child was taken across state or national borders. 2. Custody implications. A parent found guilty of kidnapping may face significant repercussions in family court, including loss of custody or visitation rights. Courts prioritize the child's best interests and typically view kidnapping as a serious violation of parental responsibilities. 3. Civil liabilities. In addition to criminal and custody consequences, the offending parent may also face civil lawsuits for damages, including emotional distress caused to the other parent and the child.